So, guys, I'm going to be doing a video on Gina, so my dog, on what she thinks. And obviously it's not actually what she thinks. I'm just going to be saying stuff of what I feel like she thinks. But I bet she's not actually going to move. So let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Where is she? Who is it? Who's there? Tell me. No. Who's there? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. I don't know. Is someone there? It's coming from out there. I'll stare into this window for as long as I can. My toy! My toy! My toy! No! No! I'm scared. She's taking it away from me. She's taking it away from me. No! Press A. I want it. Take it. I want it. Leave it. Drop it. Drop. Drop it. Can you let me have it, please? I'm a cutesy-wootsy little dog. Please. Please, I'll do anything. I'll do anything. Just please. Please, no. You left me to die. Oh, no. No. No, he's dead. No. Please. Please. No. Someone help. Someone help me. No, please. Please help. Please. Jealous. Where's my food? I want my food. I want my food. Can you pass me my food, please? Be very nice if you could. Pass me my food. Pass me my food. Now. I'll beg. I'll beg. Anything for my food. Just please. Please just pass it. I need my food. No. Food. Please. Ah, my food. That's my food. Oh, it's a toy. I thought it was food. Mine, 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 mine. Don't you dare take it. Oh, mine, mine, mine. So that's all I have for you today. Or is it? No, it isn't. Don't you dare touch me. Don't you dare touch me. No, no, you're doing it wrong. Stop it. Stop it. No, no, no. You're doing it wrong. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop taking it away from me. I'm a strong dog. I'm not trying at all. Not at all. I bet she's trying as hard as she can. I'm not. I'm not trying at all. Don't think I'm trying, guys. Please, no. I'm not trying at all. This dog here, this is me. I'm a dog. I'm not trying at all. Don't think I'm trying at all. It's mine. 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 Oh, mine. Stop. Stop it. Please. Please stop it. Please. Please. No. Don't you dare. I'm not falling for that trick. You can't pull me off the sofa. You can't pull me off the sofa. Don't pull me off. You can't pull me off. No! No! No. Mine. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. They say love is clear to see, but darling, stay with me. I'm a famous dog artist. Oh yeah. Stay back. So guys, that's all I have for you today. My dog is tied out. Nope, she's still, the wild Juno is still full of energy. But see you guys soon. Bye bye.